Not asking for consent can definitely kill the mood. Like,
It's conditioning, no, where men are like always on.
तेरा तो स्विच ही नहीं है ना.
Oh, my ball has reached your
Yeah, no shit, consent is sexy.
Hi guys, I'm Amol Parashar.
I'm Aisha Ahmad.
I'm Lisa Mangalas.
मैं हूँ युवराज दुआ.
और मैं हूँ रिताशा राठौर. And yes, you guessed it right.
We are here to talk about consent.
यानी सहमति.
So we know you guys had a lot of questions about consent.
और आप लोगों ने टिंडर को डीएम किया, फिर टिंडर ने हमें डीएम किया.
हमने सोचा ये DM खेलने से better है. Let's get down to some real talk.
So first things first, do we have your consent to talk about consent?
So one of the questions we've received is, if I have to keep asking before doing everything, won't it just kill the mood?
मेरे हिसाब से जब रिलेशनशिप लंबा चल जाता है ना, तब बॉडी लैंग्वेज से भी पता लग जाता है.
I think पूछ लेना चाहिए.
Consent thing is a continuous question.
Ongoing
say.
consent is what
It's
they
not
call
like कि
it.
हाँ एक बार हुआ था तो अब तो होगा ही.
I want to know, how do boys find it sexy? मतलब हम कैसे पूछे क्या?
Can I
कैसे
put my
consent?
hand
यार हाँ, like in my personal case, एक तो ये नहीं हुआ, किसी ने बोला नहीं कि आप पूछ सकते हो.
और पूछ तो अलग अलग तरीके से भी सकते हैं ना. मतलब it always doesn't have to be, do you want to do this with me? जैसे ही आप कहोगे ना, I really want to kiss you right now, can I?
May I?
May I? आप ऑटोमेटिकली हॉट बन जाओगे. पता है, इंस्टेंट के किस कर लिया, फिर लड़की को लगा कि अरे तो मुझे अभी तो नहीं. अच्छा पर
Yeah, no shit, consent is sexy.
I think people are scared of being rejected. कि मैं
Yeah.
पूछ लूँ और उस मुंह पे मना कर दे, but that I think is better than at least kissing and then getting
Being
like
known as a creep.
rejected.
Like a non-consensual thing can royally kill the mood.
मैं यहाँ पे एक पब्लिक अनाउंसमेंट करना चाहूँगा.
कर लो.
अगर हमें ये करने की जरूरत ही ना पड़ती, अगर स्कूल में कंसेंट और
तो.
सेक्स एजुकेशन सिखा दिया होता तो.
Okay, so the next question someone's asked, if we've matched, do I still need to ask before sliding into their DMs?
One person was like, should I talk to you on Instagram? I can't keep opening the app every time.
Why? इतना क्या उंगली को वो हो जाएगा कि
एक और ऐप खोलना है.
You don't have that much to go by, right? When you just match with someone and you want to restrict your interactions with these strangers who you're considering dating to whatever you're comfortable with, and that's why they're two separate apps, right? People try their luck on all apps,
Yeah.
but like Instagram is not really where I want to be receiving Tinder match messages, I would imagine, for some people. And also on dating apps, you can unmatch if the conversation isn't going where you want it to.
कभी कभार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि टिंडर में मैच होके इंस्टा पे डीएम करा और वो सक्सेसफुल रिलेशनशिप भी काफी सालों का बन गया. लेकिन हम तो यही बात कर रहे हैं कि पूछना हमेशा चाहिए. तो ये लाइन कहाँ लगाएं हम?
किया भी तो एटलीस्ट एक्नॉलेज करके किया कि यार मैं थोड़ा सा सॉरी
Sorry for sliding in.
मतलब एटलीस्ट एक एक्नॉलेज किया.
Unannounced or whatever. कि like.
और अगर एक बार में नहीं मिला तो फिर रुक गए.
Correct.
और वो नहीं कि पहले एक बॉल की इमोजी भेजी, फिर बोला oh my ball has reached your throat, so I'm here.
ये सबके साथ हुआ है ना.
I mean, I found it sweet also. That's a privilege of being a man, I believe, because women are much sweeter and they're acknowledging. Even when they're sending, there is a sense of acknowledgement. There's a sense of sense. कि एक अच्छा
I think we have to get better at like dealing with rejection as well. Instead of seeing it as a like, oh my god, like how dare they reject me? I want to feel like thank you
I'm attacked.
for honoring your boundaries.
Everything starts with, even if you've not matched and it's not about a dating app, should be with a hey, is it okay if I'm messaging you? I don't have your
हाँ,
number.
मतलब कैफे हो, टिंडर हो, इंस्टा हो, बार हो, घर हो,
पूछ
ऑफिस
लो.
हो, पूछ लो.
किसी ने पूछा है how do I tell him not right now without making him feel I don't like him. एक तो इसमें सिर्फ him नहीं होना चाहिए. I think him और
Them,
दोनों होना
them.
चाहिए. है ना?
Yeah.
I really like you, but I don't feel like doing this right
No,
now.
but that still feels like something's wrong with me.
अभी क्या हो रहा है कि जो पूछ रहा है उसके दिमाग में रिजेक्शन का डर बैठा हुआ है और जिससे पूछ रहा है उसके दिमाग में ये डर बैठा हुआ है कि मैंने रिजेक्ट कर दिया तो क्या होगा.
But it's like momentary rejection. No, honestly, you
But
maybe
no,
have a
then
headache
it's-
or maybe you ate something and you're feeling like अभी तो डकार आ ही जाएगी. I can't kiss you right now. So you have to be honest and
Yeah,
open.
be honest. My reason is this. That's why I cannot. Don't leave someone in a
Confused.
confused space.
अभी 4-5 दिन से मुझे कब्ज की बीमारी चल रही है तो
हाँ बता दो.
But I would be like, thank you for
being
telling
honest.
me. Yeah.
अभी बवासीर है.
हाँ, and then I can also probably tell you कि हाँ मेरे साथ भी problem
मुझे
है
भी
यार.
बवासीर है.
चलो let's solve it together, you know.
Let's go to the doctor together.
I think though that there's like often such a assumed lack of accountability, being like, I don't have to tell you, I don't have to reply, I can just ghost you. But you're almost expecting to be treated with not a lot of respect sometimes. I think the reason it can be kind of tricky to read a no, not right now is because no would have been a complete sentence. but no, not right now sounds like maybe there's the potential conversation actually possible. Like maybe they have no intention of seeing you, but because they said not right now, maybe you
You
keep
hold on to
checking
hope.
back, like,
Yeah.
hey, how about now?
Yeah.
You know?
And then you come across as this weird person and then, you know, who's constantly messaging, but you've also been left on like, no, not right now, maybe later.
Not right now to what? Also that depends. Na? Ask questions then. Na? Like what can we do right now? What makes you? It's all about comfort at the end of the day.
It's a random assumption कि not right now मतलब कल.
अभी नहीं, okay.
Yeah, you can't decide the amount of
हाँ
time.
भाई 12 बज गए, डेट शिफ्ट हो गई
Shift हो गई, yeah.
है। मैं दूसरी कंट्री में जा रहा हूँ, टाइम डिफरेंस है।
Same question again. If you get a not right now, is there when? Then when?
Politely ask.
Yeah,
I
just
know you said
ask.
not right now, but I just want to know when is okay. I don't know, यार.
हाँ, it's just about being honest and vulnerable और वो हमको सिखाया नहीं गया है.
बस यही बात है. आप emotions दबा रहे हो, मत दबाओ. So the next question is, as a guy, why does it feel like I'm expected to always say yes?
ये assumption तो है सोसाइटी में।
I think we often talk about consent as if it's only the man who would ever make a consent violation. And actually, I think
लड़के
maybe for
कलेश
men,
पाएंगे।
it's quite hard to say no as well.
Yeah.
मेरी जिंदगी में जो भी प्यार रहा है, स्वभाव रहा है, उसमें मेरे से हमेशा कंसेंट पूछा गया है। छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने से पहले, चाहे वो हाथ पकड़ना हो, चाहे वो मेरे बाल सहलाना हो, चाहे वो मेरी दाढ़ी से खेलना हो।
बट तुमने मना किया कि आज दाढ़ी से मत खेलो तो कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग रिएक्शन
दाढ़ी बाल तो वो तो बहुत ही एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, उसको कभी मना नहीं करते। लेकिन हाथ पकड़ने को पब्लिक में ना मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है एक्चुअली। तो हमारे बीच में भी एक अनसेड अग्रीमेंट एस्टैब्लिश हो गया था कि जब हम पब्लिक में चल रहे होंगे और ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो तू मेरी बाजू पकड़ लियो यहाँ से। तो ऐसे वो पकड़ते नहीं है,
So sweet.
तो वो बाजू पकड़ के।
But see, like consent is cute.
I've been at the receiving end of this. I have been rejected in my advances for physical intimacy, and I was always expecting कि why wouldn't you say yes? Why? It's of course it's so expected. It's conditioning. No, where men are like always on.
तेरा
But
तो
yeah, that-
स्विच ही नहीं है ना, डायरेक्टली ऑन है तू तो।
हाँ, मतलब ये क्या?
तो
Such
तोड़नी
a
है।
flawed system, right? Where in heterosexual dating, we kind of assume that like men are these predators and women are these
Exactly.
gatekeepers. You know, so as a woman, you're kind of like a freak if you say you want stuff,
Yeah.
and he's a freak if he says he doesn't want stuff.
Yeah, I think it all just boils down to the honesty
Yeah.
and just being mindful of other people's emotions and understandings and their boundaries, of course.
So that was us just trying to unpack consent.
मैंने आज बहुत कुछ सीखा, भर के नॉलेज लेके जा रहा हूँ घर। और आपने भी अगर सीखा हो तो ज़रूर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करें।
और सिर्फ दोस्तों के साथ नहीं, अपने फैमिली चैट्स पे भी जरूर शेयर करें बिकॉज वो बहुत जरूरी है.
मामा, चाचा, ताया, बुआ शुड नो।
Also, guys, ये हमारे personal opinions थे. You may not agree with all of it.
So if you have any more questions or something to add, please join the conversation. Comment section में प्यार से respectfully comment कर दो and let's chat about it.
बुरा नहीं मानेंगे।
The more we talk about this openly, the more likely we are to be able to understand each other.
Exactly, because communication is key. Can I hold your hands?
Yes, I give you my consent
And
to
content.
content.
Okay.
Oh.